Good morning, everybody. We are here. It's looking nice outside today. 64 degrees and sunny. We've got Nick F. first in the chat. Guys, guess whose birthday it is today? Guess whose birthday? If you guess whose birthday, I'll sing him happy birthday. You gotta guess, though. Nick F., good morning to you. Paul, what's going on? Dark Bro, Dr. Mina, how you doing? 1776, Kenneth, Mr. Simonino. Thinks he's first in the chat. Don't know if he is. Kenneth, J-Bones, Mr. Simon, J-Bones, Mr. Simon, Juana Silvan. Buenos dias to you, Juana Silva. Juana, hope you're having a great morning so far today. J-Bones, man. Old Rounder, D's. Almost said his full name. Dark Bro, Kenneth, Dark Bro, D's, Pika, Dark Bro, Pika, King Mamba, Kenneth, Kalani, King Mamba, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Arthur. We've got Kenneth, Arthur, King Mamba, Champagne, Dark Bro, 1776, Mellow Yellow, Pika Power. It is Nick F's birthday. Nick F, are you in here? Are you in here, Nick F? Because I will be singing if you're still in here. We got to see if Nick F's still in here, guys. King Mama, good morning. D's, you almost made me do it. Yeah, you almost made me do it. Gizzle, what's going on? Marcus, King Mamba. Let's see how the market is doing today because, my goodness. Have you seen the gains? Oh, Nick F is in here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick F. Happy birthday to you, Nick F, man. Happy birthday. Oh, yes, Nick F, man. So glad to spend your birthday with you right now. And everybody else, throw a little HBD. Happy birthday to Nick F in the chat right now. When you see Crow Coin going up, you know it's a good day. Happy birthday, D's, man. Thank you. Morning, King Mom, Peak Power. Hello, everyone. Chris is in here on time today. My goodness. Good evening, Clay and everyone. Sarah Deste, 50 Shades of Grey. What's going on, Sarah? How you doing today? Any thoughts on HBAR? Champagne Poppy, I've never really looked into HBAR, man. I do need to look into it because a few people have asked, but I've never looked into it. On a wild leap of faith, I put in all my money yesterday afternoon. I'm itching to pull it out. When remove, happy birthday, Nick F. Nice. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. This dude's leap of faith paid off very well for him. 8 outdo bro, man. I don't know what you put it in, but let's see here. We've got AMC curling back over, going from 620 to 613 right now. The overall market coming, still rising nicely. The overall market is still continuing to hit higher highs there. Had a little intraday resistance in this area. Boom. 6+%. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. 6+%. I don't even know what these options are at. I don't even know what the QQQ options are at today on calls, but they have to be killing it at the moment. So, here's my thoughts, man. Here's my thoughts. I don't know if you timed a bottom perfectly, but I personally still think that there's room to the downside. Inflation numbers are good, and we know that that's one of the reasons we're seeing such monumentous price gains today. However, exchanges aren't out of the woods yet. FTX still got a lot of problems. I don't think that they're the last exchange that's going to go under. So with that being said, I would protect some of those gains that you made there, man. Even if you have to do it just at a break-even stop loss or something. But if you're making some sick money, man, I absolutely love it. Outdo, bro. Happy birthday, Nick F. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. King Mama, happy birthday, Nick F. Sarah Desticroy, happy birthday, Nick F. Happy birthday, Nick. Rich O. Evening from a cold UK. Good afternoon from a nice and sunny Ohio. Pika Power. Pika says, hey, Nick F. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick F. Happy birthday to you. Nick F, another happy birthday for you, man. Loving it right now. Pika, thank you very much. That is for Nick. Yes, that is for Nick. There you go. So QQQ's good. Ooh, I don't know, man. I don't know. Selling QQQs, it is extremely elevated right now. I do not know if it can maintain 6+% daily gains. That is a wild gain, man. 6%. I really don't know if it's going to be able to maintain 6+% daily gains. You can see though that this trend line, this one has been broken, yes, and even if you're hitting these higher, lower highs here, it has been broken there as well. So a very interesting double break on the descending trend line, but it may just be coming up to retest these levels of resistance here before falling and curling back over. But my goodness, man, what wild gains today on the overall market based on that interest rate, or based on that inflation rate. I'm telling you guys, the market got shocked today. When you see a 6% gain, the market got shocked today. I want to see Crow Coin making any moves. Champagne Poppy. I think Crow is going to be nervous, okay? I think Crow is going to be nervous knowing that FTX tanked the way that it did, and these centralized exchanges are getting blasted right now. Therefore, you know, KuCoin, Crow, even BNB could be in a little bit of trouble right there. I think a lot of the centralized cryptocurrency exchange coins are going to be on edge, to say the least. So I would watch out for that, man. And if we have any more centralized exchanges go under, dude, it's almost like which straw is going to break the camel's back? Which one is it? Wasn't Voyager. Nobody cared when Voyager went over. Nobody cared when some of these other, Celsius went under. Everybody just said, oh, not your keys, not your crypto. Not your keys, not your crypto. And nobody seemingly a little bit more care that FTX is going under. But which straw is going to break the camel's back, man? Do all the exchanges have to go under, and then people are going to just be like, there's literally nowhere to buy crypto right now. What do we do? It's bewildering to me. Who do you think 18,400 BTC is strong resistance? Not with strong support for months. My trades haven't been working out, but I'm considering shorting air for the weekly close on Sunday. Old rounder, I do. So typically, let's take a look at it. Typically, 18.4. My line was at 18.1 right here, right? And above that, 19. That's moved up slightly. The other one's around 19. So these lines for me would be lines of resistance now, because we had fallen through and essentially sustained a decent move to the downside, right? It wasn't like we just wicked down there or anything. We had a pretty decent decline yesterday. We are bouncing right now because of inflation data. Inflation data coming in better than expected. And if you go out to this daily graph, you could basically see, man, that we came up and tested this red level, this red line, and we're on our way back down a little bit right now. So based on how I use support and resistance lines and what I view them as, yes, this is going to be a level of resistance. This is going to be a level of resistance. This is going to be a level of resistance, another level of resistance. So if we break back up into the channel, great. If not, yeah, these are lines of resistance now. So I don't know if that necessarily means shorted at those levels, but it would be, you know, watch the bounce off that level and then make the determination on whether or not you want to short it at that point. But that's the way that I would view it, yes. Hey, bro. Here you are, Clay, bro. Pennsylvania here. What do you think about HBAR? Lumpy. Somebody... Champagne Poppy just asked me about HBAR as well. I think it was Champagne Poppy. You know, I've never looked into HBAR, dude. I've never looked into HBAR. We can take a look at the price of HBAR right now. 1/4 like ratio. Psh, guys, click the like button. Listen to Outdo, bro. HBAR. Ow, man. Triceps killing me. All right, what do we got here? HBAR sitting at 5 cents at the moment. A $1 billion market cap. All-time graph looks extremely sold off right now. Yes, the lowest we've seen is about a penny. Doing very nicely throughout 2021 there, when everything was spiking and coming down ever since. Very similar action to the overall cryptocurrency market. Okay, so 36 cents, 50 cents. That's not necessarily an unreasonable price point. Market cap the same. They're not printing any coins. Yeah, it looks like the market cap's about the same. Roughly the same. There might be some new coins out there. But I'd watch this right here, man, because if we're looking at it, And we see over the last year, it's curling down and starting to break some new lows here. So I would watch out for that. If we're trying to find some levels of support, we might be falling down to the 3-4 cent range before we try to retest 1 cent. So I know it's bouncing nicely today. And it seems to be up 7% over the last 24 hours there. Nonetheless, though, man, I would keep an eye on it because the next level of support at 3 cents is nearly a 40% decline, man. So I wouldn't want to see you get in and then have a 40% decline knowing your next level of support's not down until 3 cents. But like I said, man, I don't know what these guys are doing. I don't know too much about them. Never looked into them before. But that's, you could see that graph when I was doing that, right? Yeah, you can see that graph. I just hope that it's bouncing up nicely before you get in and lose a potential 40% on it. Brother, I have a question. Why is no one talking about YFI? I thought it was $350 and now it's almost $1,800 and never get affected by the bear market, even with this crash. Dr. Mina, let's take a look at it. Nick F, we're supposed to ask you about the $2 Sol guy. Yeah, hey Nick F, man, does I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I should use names of people that don't have that aren't in the chat or not. But the guy that bought Solana at $2, does he still have it? Only 19 likes with 50 listening. Click that likey. Listen to Danelle and click that like button. Yo, first like always. Mr. Razi, I think you might be confused, man. Happy birthday, Nick Danelle. Thank you. Let's look at YFI. Is this You're in Finance? No, DeFi money. DeFi money is YFI. Dang, man. That's not been doing too bad. It's not been doing too bad. Got in at 370, riding it up to about $1,800 right now. Let me say this. So, DeFi money, they're an Ethereum token. Looks like they might be some sort of a DeFi exchange, right? Similar to Ethereum Swap, Uniswap, stuff like that. That's just me guessing based on their name and the fact that they're on the Ethereum blockchain. Why is nobody talking about it? I don't know. I would imagine because they're a very, very low market cap coin. And they're still only at about a $70 million value despite having gone up nicely. So knowing that they're still up like 4x from where they were before, dude, they had roughly what, a $15 million value when they were down in this range right here back in June. That is a very, very low market cap project in the grand scheme of things, and that might be why nobody's talking about it. However, they have been doing very well over the last several months here, going from a low of about 370 did I see? 370 to the $1,800 that it's sitting at right now. So decent gains, yes, is potentially more and more people move over to the DeFi space as these centralized cryptocurrencies go bankrupt. But that would be my guess as to answering your question as to why nobody's talking about it. Do you know what happened to the Terra Rebels lottery? It's been down for maintenance for 3 days now. No. Let's just say no. I don't know what happened to it, Kev Machine. It would be rude of me to sit here and speculate and say some things that if I don't know the answer to it. So, no, I don't know what happened to the Terra Rebels lottery and why it would be down for maintenance for 3 days. To me, sounds like it doesn't work. Hello everyone, sorry I can't stay, just wanted to stop by for the ad, and hello, DD214, you're awesome, man, thanks for swinging by, and hello to you, DD214. Guys, we got Bitcoin trying to bounce off these levels of resistance up here, trying to retest $18,000 per coin after, my goodness, touching $15,500. And one of the reasons that it's elevated right now from 16,000 up to 17,000 is because of the CPI data that came in. Let me know what you guys think. To me, it looks like it's wanting to curl back over. To me, it looks like Bitcoin may be trying to curl back over after a nice rally here. I could be a little biased because I still don't think things are as great as they could be. But the overall market continues to hit these higher lows today. The overall market is continuing this nice uptrend. Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna Classic's chart's broken over here on Weeble. Forget that. Dogecoin elevated nicely, but may not be hitting new intraday highs on this 5-minute bar. Shiba Inu coins still looking good, up above 1,000 points per coin today. It's interesting to see whether or not these gains are going to continue, knowing that there was such a shock to the market to shoot it up basically 10-20% in a matter of 5 minutes, simply based on the inflation rate. That's how many people are looking at inflation here in the United States and willing to buy based on that report. If inflation came in bad, yeah, we would have been seeing a $200 decline. We would have had Ethereum back down at $800-900 per coin if the inflation report came in bad. So just means the Federal Reserve is going to continue increasing interest rates at a very aggressive pace, and then people are going to be confused when they say, "Oh, I wonder where did that come from?" Year-end finance is another big one. Yes, year-end finance is the YFI. YFII is the DeFi finance. Converted Solana at $14 coin to USDC, anticipating further decline. Under the expectations, CPI was gonna be hot. Then also, the selling of more Solana being unwrapped should a dollar cost average and not timed, estimated. Kalani, I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. You know, you can do better if you do time it right. And everybody, I think everybody kind of understands that, right? If you time it right, you get it correct, you're gonna do better. If you just dollar cost average, man, and only have that long-term mentality, it almost guarantees your future at that point. It almost just makes it a given. So I guess it's just whatever strategy you want to employ, trying to make it in a matter of days, minutes, hours, years, or if you've got the long-term outlook and you're like, well, dude, I'm going to be here no matter what, so I'm just going to put a little bit in, little in, something would not wolf. What did JB say? Oh, Kevin Machine. Let me tell you why it would be down. They took your money. Oh, dude, that'd be tragic, man. That'd be tragic. Let's see. Didn't even send the last lottery burn amount to the burn wallet. It was like 8 or 10 mil. Kev Machine, I didn't look, dude. I didn't look. It really makes me wonder, man. It really makes me wonder. But I did not look to see if they sent that over. Let's see. I'm cooking a chicken curry. Who wants some? Me. Sarah's that 50 Shades of Croy. I want some. Hello, Clay. How are you today? The markets are looking great today, Anthony. The markets are looking great today. CPI data came in, blew expectations away, and the markets are looking very strong. Clay, you look tired. Rozzy. You know, that's weird, man, because I feel like I slept decent last night. I only woke up like 5 times. I feel like I slept pretty decent last night, so if I look tired, I think it might just be looks, dude. I think it might just be looks. I actually don't feel that bad right now. Let's see. Clay been shaving positions all night. I'm telling you, dude. I will say, I am like slightly stressed out about all this money stuff, though. So I don't know if that's contributing to it or not. I am slightly stressed out about all the declines and the volatility and that kind of stuff. So that may contribute to it, but I don't feel that tired. So if I look tired, it could be like a combination of, I guess, not a combination. I would say it's more stress than actually being tired right now because I feel pretty good. Oh, give me back. Chloe! Chloe, what is going on? Guys, listen, you guys didn't see it the other day. I owe Chloe a hot dog. Chloe wanted to know how to properly eat a hot dog, and I told her you dip it and shove it. She said, how? You dip it in your favorite dip, Chloe. Whatever the dip is, you dip it in, and then when you're ready, you shove it in one bite. Thank you very much, Chloe. Really appreciate that. And I knew I owed you one. Got it. It's going to be a tutorial on how to transfer your funds and convert them to U.S. money and put it in a bank. Old boy thug. So yes, I probably could. Here's the thing that you got to ask a couple questions though first, because I don't know where your crypto is, and it is a decently simple process, right? So let's just say you've got your cryptocurrency as far out as possible. You got it out on a DeFi wallet right now, okay? Got it on a DeFi wallet. Or another centralized exchange. Maybe you got it on KuCoin or something. What you're going to end up needing to do is just a couple stage process. You're going to need to transfer it to something similar to that's acceptable on an exchange like Coinbase. Let's put it that way. So let's say you've got some Ethereum. You can do it one of two ways. You can trade your Ethereum for USDC or US Tether, and then swap your Tether from that exchange to Coinbase, and then cash out on Coinbase. Another option I believe that you can do is just move your coin over to Coinbase and there trade it for Tether or USDC and so on, and make your cash out that way. But what you need to do is make sure you get it from whatever centralized cold storage wallet, decentralized wallet you got, over to an exchange like Coinbase, and cash it out that way. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, "Click, made a boo-boo." Don't we all, Chris? Don't we all? Threw a bit into Bitcoin, dumb, because everything not done dropping. I'm here for the future, but starving for a freaking gain. Chris, when did you throw it in, man? When did you throw it in? Because I'll say this, dude, Bitcoin's up today. There's actually a very good chance that you might have a little bit of a gain today. And even if it's not a big one, dude, even if it's a dollar gain or something, hey, man, maybe take it. Maybe take, and I know that sounds stupid, right? Maybe take it. But I don't necessarily think that, I kind of agree with you, right? I don't think everything is done. I think we still got to see the dust settle in the cryptocurrency market with all these exchanges that are dying and things like that. But you'll see that it's possible when you do. And you can always buy right back in if you want. You know, you can take your gain and then buy right back in if you want to. But you'll see that it's possible. And yes, we do make mistakes. Yes, I lose money just like you guys lose money. I bleed the same blood that you bleed. All of that good stuff. We are real. We suffer losses. It's just not the guy on the screen making nothing but gains all day and everybody else is losing money, things like that. But yes, dude, I completely understand. Starving for a freaking gain makes perfect sense. Because I'll tell you, dude, me too, man. Me too. It's like we've been depleted for a year. And Chris, I kind of forget when you started getting into AMC and all that stuff, but there's just a drastic difference in your mentality. When you see markets like we had for the last couple of years, where it almost doesn't matter when you get in, it just rises in value. You just make gains. The way right now, we are just making losses. And that's the major difference. That's why I don't want you guys to be gone when that returns. When it's nothing but gains all day long. I don't want you to be gone, dude. Dip it in some mayo. Good dip it in some mayo. I said I picked the dip would be queso. Some cheese dip. You dipping that hot dog down in some cheese dip. Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much, Patrick. Thank you very much for the water. I love these little hydration breaks, dude. I love them. Patrick again. Thank you very much. Sold some stock at a loss, but saw an even worse dip not 5 minutes after. Ever grateful for you and this community. So here's your cut towards the community pool. Patrick, nice, man. I don't need a cut towards any community pool, but thank you very much. And I'm going to say this too, guys. Patrick says he's ever grateful for this community. You have no idea how I am, how grateful I am for this community too. I mean, look, I feel like Chris a lot of the time, man. I honestly feel like you a lot of the time. And I know you guys get to see me on stream for 2 hours a day, right? And then you see me doing the videos and stuff like that. But I feel like you, Chris. I feel like I'm starving for a gain sometimes. I truly do, man. And it's just, it hits you so stinking hard sometimes that it's like, well, here's another day of stupid losses, man. Okay, great. We're up 10%. Today's a nice gain day. But we're at $17,000 on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at $30,000 a couple months ago, 40 before that, 50, 60, 70 before that. Like, it's a nice gain today, yes, and you're going to have these idiots on the internet telling you that, oh, man, I went in and on full leverage and made 100% gain on that 10% increase. And it's like, dude, but we are still so far down from where we were before that it does hit you, man. It does hit you. And you hang out with the bros for a while, you realize that there's a lot more than just the gains and just the losses out there. But Patrick's right, man. If this community, if the bros make it through, I can guarantee you if you make it through this, the 79 of you guys in here, even if your portfolio turns into a $10,000 portfolio or $1 million portfolio, you're going to be very, very grateful that you made it through the bear market. That's going to be me. That's going to be me. Yeah, I'll suffer some losses on the way there. You'll probably suffer some losses on the way there, but I can guarantee you I'm going to be there. Even if I sit here and it's just me and Chris and Patrick talking for 6 months because everybody else gave up and you guys start flocking back in later, we're going to be here, man. We're going to be here. Huero, it does look a little sad today. I think it needs some mayo. No, don't need any mayo on that one. Unless you mean, of course, you, Mayo. You can hang out in here all day long. Do I really look sad today? Is it the lighting? Like, what's going on, man? Do I really look dark? Like, I got bags under my eyes or something? Do I look tired? My eyes feel a little small today, but I promise I really don't feel that tired. You guys make me wonder, though, man. I'm sitting here like, what the heck's going on? Maybe it's the light. What? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the normal light right there. 1, 2, 3. Maybe we turn the light off. I don't get it. Oh, man. I felt like we jumped off an airplane, chasing the chute. Someone threw out 30 seconds before. Crypto keeps you on the edge. Lonnie, it does, man. It really does. Yes, bro, live. Come on, Luna, keep on fighting. Nate, man. Heck yeah, I got power back this morning. Got my inner whip, and I'm here. Sup, bros? What's going on, next level? Next level, what happened to your power, man? Clay, you look Asian. I do, man. I don't know if I feel like full on Asian or not, but I do feel like my eyes are like slightly smaller today. Maybe not opening as far as they normally do or something. I get small eyes to begin with, but maybe not opening as far as they normally do or something, and that could be causing it. I don't know. I have to see. Oh, man. Where are we at? It's pretty easy to get into your head, I see. Outdo, bro. Maybe. Late night, Clay, bro? Always. Lights out edition. Clay, bro, I didn't have a late night, even though Chloe, I'm going to tell you right now. I looked at like 10:40 and you were not on. Chloe does lives on TikTok as well, right? And I looked at like 10:40 to see if she was there. Dude, good luck getting me to look after that. But no, you were not there. And you said that you go on at like 9 your time. So you're like 40 minutes late if you did go on. But I definitely did look. Dunno, I love being a bro. It's so much more than just stocks and crypto. It gets me through my daily trials of life. Always makes me laugh. So a big thank you to you all. Dunno, I'm telling you, it really does. And I'll say, I mean, it is. Like, the theme is stocks and crypto, right? The theme is making money. I love talking about money. I love talking about stocks. I love talking about crypto. I love the idea of losing money and making money and losing money and making money. And just the idea that your money can be deployed out there in a way that makes you some income. So yes, I am passionate about finance, and I'm passionate about crypto and stocks and in gains, essentially. I don't really care what you're making your gains in. It could be corn for all it could be mayonnaise for all I care. If I could see how to arbitrage mayonnaise and I could go buy mayonnaise at a grocery store and sell it online for a 50% markup, dude, that inspires me. That I really don't care what it is that is being bought and sold. That whole idea of buying and selling, it just, I don't know. To me, it's like that is better than some dude hitting a grand slam home run to win the World Series or something, or I don't know, a full court shot with 10th of a second left to win the NBA Finals. Like, okay, great. Well, I figured out how to make 10% gains in perpetuity on mayonnaise. I feel better off than if I watched one of those things happen. And you guys might think I'm an idiot for that. I completely get it, and it is what it is, though. But that's why I can show up day after day talking about these losses and talking about these gains, man. I was on my back. Nah, Chloe, because I still looked. I didn't see you anywhere. I only had like 7 people online last night, and you were not on there anywhere. Unless, of course, it's a backup that I don't follow, but I thought I did. Oh, God. Yeah, you need to stomp those things out and kill those things right now. Bro, you look relaxed. Boulder, man, if I didn't have 50 blue wrenches in here already, I would give you a blue wrench right now, man. I look relaxed. Boulder just made my day. I don't look tired, guys. I look relaxed. Thank you, Boulder. Let's see. I'll go do that, Dark Bro. Heck yeah. Oh, Nick F is in here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick F. Happy birthday to you, Nick F, man. Happy birthday again. Lots of green in the chat and green in the markets. Makes me happy. Me too, man. I want to be tracked by the Chinese guy. Roulette wheel. I'm telling you, they track you, dude. They do. But everybody tracks you, so it's all right, man. Everybody tracks you. I'm just struggling because everyone say, prepare for the bear market. Things will get bad. And today, crap's going up. Everything has a catalyst, and everyone gets screwed. You know, Chris, it is slightly true, man. Today's catalyst was the CPI inflation report. And it is one of the major things that we need to keep our eye on, right? But I'll say this, okay? We're starting to compare CPI to already elevated numbers. So it doesn't mean that the economy is getting any better. It doesn't mean that prices are getting any lower. It means that number we're comparing it to was already high. So you would have to exceedingly increase today's prices to continue or maintain a rising CPI when you're comparing it to numbers that were rising. If you look over the last couple of years with CPI remaining steady at 2%, you know, as soon as you see a spike up, it's a drastic increase, right? But then when you start comparing to both of those levels that are rising in tandem, then you may just get back down to that 2% CPI because prices continue to roll out of control, but you're comparing them to the prices that were out of control. Puff on that? No, dude, I don't puff on any dragons. Peanut butter and mayo sandwich. No, please. Chris, trying to understand this market is like trying to read Socrates in a different language. Yeah, very well could be, man. Peanut butter and let's see. Peanut butter and mayo sandwich. No, dude, I gotta go with no on that. Like peanut butter and a banana sandwich or something. Yeah, dude, but peanut butter and jelly. Yeah, peanut butter and mayo. No. Hey, bro, what's up, man? Sean, how you doing, dude? It means no one is buying crap. Purple dude is some kind of a member, bro, or something. I know I'm the little purple guy next to you. Is that what you're talking about? Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, mayonnaise for you, Clay, as in, man, there's a lot of money to be made in crypto. Chloe, did you like that one? Did you like that? Patrick coming in hot with that one. Mayonnaise for you, Clay. Man, there's a lot of money to be made in crypto. Man, there's a lot of money to be made in crypto, Patrick. Oh, God, I really like that one. Patrick, that was a very good one, man. Man, there's a lot of money to be made in crypto, for sure. Oh, my goodness. It's Pika's 5th birthday of the year. Happy birthday, Pika. Heck yeah. Clay, did you puff dragons? Would he even tell us? Well, probably not, but I don't even... First of all, let me say, I understand that you're saying something about cannabis in this situation here, but I don't know if just puffing a dragon means, like, smoking something or if it's, like, a specific thing. So I'm going to defer this one to my friend Chris. Chris, enlighten me. Does puffing on a dragon mean something specific, or is that partaking in the devil's celery, like, of any kind? I don't know. I'm deferring this one. Like, this would be a private conversation, but apparently you guys are seeing it. So, Chris, man, I defer this one to you for a little bit of insight. Clay bro, try M&M peanut butter, chicken tuna salad, Quagmire. That might not be too bad, but I've never tried peanut butter and tuna, dude. It was amazing. I love this so much. Chloe, heck yeah. It's peanut butter, banana, and mayo sandwich. Try it. You will see. I know you guys are playing with me right now. I know you guys are playing with me. Chloe, when's your birthday? May 26th, Razi. May 26th. Celery. Yeah, Joseph, I don't know if that's like a specific kind or if that's just like in general what you guys are talking about. You know what I mean? No, 26, Simon. 26. Don't get it wrong, dudes. 26. Bitcoin on its way back down right now. This is so ridiculous, dude. Oh, God. Hey, man. Did you just short it? Who said that they were shorting around the resistance levels? Did you short Bitcoin at 17.8? 17.9, where we were just at. 17.4. Shiba Inu coin, turning back over right now. My gosh, man. Hey, how do gas fees affect the price of Ethereum? They have been crazy the last few days. So, Lonnie, I don't think the gas fees necessarily affect the price, and I don't necessarily think the price affects the gas fees. It's the amount of transactions, right? And it's the prioritization of those transactions. So I believe that they would have been elevated over the last couple of days because the volume and volatility has been elevated over the last couple of days. So I think about it like a highway, right? And if it's extremely busy, or think about it like going to Cedar Point or going to some amusement park. You go to Cedar Point, dude, and if it's extremely busy and you're waiting in line and all of this stuff, you can get a fast pass and you can pay a little more. And I don't know why the camera froze. You can pay a little more, and that's your gas fee, is basically paying to have your transaction put through. And the busier it is, the more they can charge, and the more they charge to see your gas fee go through. Hey, when you sign on, you sound like Zoe Deschanel, not Doey Deschanel, whatever that is. My goodness, crypto selling back off right now. What a move, guys. What a move. Kind of makes me want to go out to KuCoin and take a little short right now. Give me a yes or no. Very, very small short position, and I'll do it if you guys say yes. Look at this little sell-off. What do you guys say? Very small little short position on Bitcoin. We'll do it on Bitcoin. Could do it on Shiba Inu, technically. Roll the yeses or nos in right now. Kind of want to take advantage of it. We got three big purple lines on the chart right now. Make a couple bucks. Aldo Bro, sing Puff the Magic Dragon. Aldo Bro, I don't know that song. Do it. No, don't. Do it. Stephanie Bro. Yes, no, yeah. You guys are killing me, man. Oh, we're going to do it with a very small position. Give me 2 seconds. We're going to do it with a very small position. I'm doing it with a very small position. There's 2 more no's. Still alone in TikTok. Oh my gosh. Stephanie, guys, somebody go watch Stephanie Bro in TikTok right now and report back. Is it looking good or no? And then I can go do a battle with her after this live stream. if we want. Let's see here. Let's sign on. We had half and half there. I'll take it though. BTC. Let's take a little short position just to see what we got. And all right, hold on. Nope. Gonna get wrecked. Well, we'll see. It was a very short position. A very small position. So let's see what it does. I might bring it back up. If we get one more purple green line, I'll take it off. If we get one more purple green line, I'll take it off. I just wanted to see if we can take advantage of that right there. It's not a big one at all. Just to have a little bit of fun with that decline right there. One more purple line, of course. If you guys want to know where the bottom's at, it's because I just took a little short position right there, and we'll be good to go. So let's just put this on here. We'll take a couple % gain, right? We'll show Chris that it's possible. 17,240. We'll just make it $100 move. Right there. We hit that line, we'll get back out. If not, it was a bad decision, and we'll be okay. Ryan! Impersonate my... Oh, my gosh. I can't do it, Ryan. I can't do it. I'm promising you. Where are we at here? Stephanie, bro. Vosain to stock key. Let me know. Stephanie, bro, I'll go follow you. Danelle. Nice. Thank you for following, Stephanie. Love it. Turning green already. I ate beans last night. Gas fees... Oh, God. Diffy dog, man. Why you gotta do this to me, man? Why you gotta do this to me? I'll tell you, the famous ones. I'll tell you, it almost never fails, right? I'll take a position, and then I'll hit the bottom of the top in the wrong way. So, we'll see. I'll just take it off if it falls down below that line right there. Just wanted to go out there and do it really quick. With 6 free stocks and up to 12 free stocks, Rozzy, you already know what it is, man. You already know what it is, dude. Where we at? Now you're is a TikToker that explains a lot. Wayne Grow. I think you meant to say now you are a TikToker, right? I don't know what it explains, but I would still say with about 3,000 people on TikTok that you would still say you're on YouTube. It's primary, considering there's more followers on here. Hello, youngest baby. Touch your 2 eggs. I have no idea what you mean. Let's see. And now, there we go. Got a shot for... Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick F. From Patrick. Happy birthday to you. Nick F. Happy birthday again, man. Rozzy. Rozzy, man, thank you very much for the peach. Absolutely love it, dude. And yes, shout out to Nick F for his birthday, man. Dude is old today. I'm telling you. Isn't it funny, man? You got your 3 green lines right there right now. You get in at the absolute bottom like that. I see that chin, Clay. 1776. You do see that chin. But market right now. Perfect buying opportunity. Well, it is a perfect buying opportunity because... I'm probably still break even right here. So we'll make a little 1-2% gain on this bad boy coming down $100. Not bad. We'll get it. I know we will. Humanity. That's the peach, baby. People want to see the peach. Claybro gives them the peach. Shib holding 15 million. Very nice, dude. 15 million Shiba Inu coin. Could you imagine if you held Shiba Inu coin for 50 years and it actually did go to $1? That'd be wild. That'd be wild, man. The peach. Arthur likes the peach. I like the peach too, actually. The peach is very easy to do. Gold price went from 1610 to 1747 in a week. Probably people going back to safe havens. Lorenzo, yeah, man. Yeah. I will say this, though. If the inflation rate and interest rates do start to come back down, then there's a very good chance that they're going to be going from those safe havens back to riskier assets. So what we've got going on right now, man, is that transition from risky assets to safe assets, and that transition's been taking place basically over the last year. So if we do start to see that, I guess, interest rates and inflation rates begin to lower, then what we could end up getting is a transition back from the safe haven assets like bonds, not stocks, but extremely diversified ETFs or these index funds and savings accounts, gold and silver, those precious metals, back to stocks, crypto, and so on. 808, 135. 50 years, I'll be dead. I'm not going to be dead in 50 years. There's no way. You're not going to be dead in 50 years, Danelle. No. 50 years. Gosh, dude. 83. There's nobody that's 80 years old in here right now, right? 83 years old. I think my grandpa is 80 or 81. I think he's going to be 81 this year. I can guarantee you my grandpa would be happy with $15 million. Even though he's 80. I can guarantee you he'd be happy with that. It's more than inflation. You forgot. Oh, yeah. But Putin's the reason for inflation, though. Patrick! Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee, Patrick, man. Thank you very much for the coffee. Dude, for the water, in that case. Oh, do we hit that line? Do we come down? Do we come down? Do we come down? We're coming down. What do you guys think? We'll just take it? We'll take it since we're at that line. It's probably a 1% gain. Just take a little 1% gain? All right, let's just take a little 1% gain. Who cares, man? We just did that trade to take a little 1% gain. Putin price hikes, right? Yes, let's go. Nice, man. Nice. Oh, hold on. I lost my charger. And if this thing doesn't go back in, I can guarantee you. Wow, yeah. If it didn't go back in, we were going to be screwed. Down to 30% battery. Must not have been plugged in at all there. It was like 0.93% or something dumb. It's a little less than 1% that we got. But we still got it, guys. We still got it. So this is a gambling channel now. Dippy Dog. No, man. See, a gambling channel would be this. This would be a gambling channel. And this actually might work out better. I got a Bitcoin here, right? Heads is up, tails is down. Tails. It's going down. That would be gambling with basically a 50-50 chance of being right as opposed to being wrong. So if you want your odds to be 50-50, that's how you gamble right there. Not a bad idea. What we did, however, we looked at the decline that was taking place, and the sell-off started to spike up in volatility here, and we decided, okay, well, we're going to get in. Got in on this area, and it did come back up a little bit. Yes, spiked back down slightly, and came to that line where we wanted it to go, and then we just got out, man. We got out. We played the trend. That's all we were doing right there, man. Was playing the trend. Reversal coming. Joshua, you mean a reversal back to the downside? It is possible, dude. It is possible. Johnstontown, that was my dream in 3rd grade. Some of the crypto market is more stressful than having your 3rd grade teacher lock in. Oh, God. Dark Bro, I like your dreams, man. I like your dreams. Oh, boy. Let's see. Got some bowls of seed here, and the bowl that Chip Bro chooses is the action we take in the market. Dude, people literally look at elephants and donkeys, man, to choose politics. People look at groundhogs to determine whether or not we're going to have a long winter. Why can't we look at Chip Bro to determine whether or not we should go long or short? I think we could. And look, we would have been better off, but we got out of the trade already, so we're doing good. It's not gambling. It's the market makers trying to grab liquidity from shorts and longs, transfer money from your pocket to theirs. Joshua, and they're very good at it. They're very good at that, my friend. We did an educated gambling. We did. I mean, that's really all investing is. Understanding the probabilities and going in there and taking advantage of it. It's like a guy that goes to the casino, but you're allowed to count cards. It's, you go to the casino, you're playing poker, and you understand literally all of the odds of hitting each hand that you've got out there. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I know every odd and everything that is possible when it comes to trading, but that's what we did. It was a little educated gambling right there. We got in on the way down, and we got out right here at this level, and it ended up turning back around right now. So not a bad move. It was kind of like a pointless move, but not a bad move, man. We hit slightly less than 1%. Let's see. Pika, I hope you're having an excellent day. Me too. Danelle and I both hope that Pika is having an excellent day. Third grade teacher was fire. Nice, Dark Bro. Oh, man. Chipro see his shadow. Chipro must have seen his shadow, dude, because Chipro has not been out for a while right now. Chipro, I haven't seen him in, gosh, dude, like a month. All of those little chipmunks, they must not be as active when it starts to get a little colder outside. FTX announcements regarding the Tron credit facility. We are pleased to announce that we have reached an agreement with Tron to establish a special facility to allow holders of TRX, BTT, JST, Sun, and HT to swap assets from FTX one-to-one to external wallets. Joshua, very good, and thank you very much for the update. I do know that Sam Bankman-Fried was going on a tweeting spree today, man. Going on a tweeting spree about how, and he apologized like 50 times in his thread. So they are looking for different liquidity options. They're looking for ways to get customers their money back and all of that. They're trying to tell you that FTX US customers have zero to worry about. I don't know if I necessarily agree with them or not, but they're trying to assure you that there are no problems there. There will be problems there if people go on a run for their crypto and start withdrawing it off their exchange. So definitely. Nick F, if you're out there, listen right now, because this is for you and Pika. This is King Cow, baby. Moo. 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 Thank you very much, JB, for the King Cow, baby. It is by far one of my best impersonations. I would like to say, get on my level when it comes to making cow noises, guys. You cannot do it. Very realistic. Mellow Yellow. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Sam can hide in the basement with Do Kwon. Yeah, I agree with that. There's a lot of people defending Do Kwon right now and basically crucifying Sam. I don't think the situation is that different, man. But they're really out there gunning for Sam to try and make Do Kwon look a little bit better. Gamo. Gamo. Gains over massive losses? Guys? Oh my loser? What is gosh, oh my loser? What is Gamo? I don't even know what that means. Danelle! Danelle, thank you very much for the super chat. Danelle, thank you very much for the super chat. Danelle, thank you very much for the super chat. Danelle, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. Absolutely loving it, guys. How's the mid-elections going? I don't know. We don't have all of the results yet. I was seeing some videos yesterday. Guys, listen. Pudgy, Lana, anybody else that lives in Arizona, please go help these people count some ballots, because they were saying yesterday that you guys might have to be working through Thanksgiving or even Christmas before you have the election results. So please go do that. Please go count them for them and somebody help them with that. I'm happy with Shib reaching 1/10 of a cent. Oh, yeah, Dasco, man. 1/10 of a cent is going to be incredible for Shiba Inu coin. It truly would be. Doe and Sam did the same darn thing. Yeah, if you look at the results, they did, man. They did. If you look at like how they got there, I think there may have been some slight differences and so on. But if they both ended up at the same place, I mean, come on, man. Where they both did the same thing then. They both got there. Just they got there different ways. Get on my level. Pika, you're amazing. I should have known that. Now I look like an idiot. Gommel, baby. Gommel. Now I look like a complete idiot. Gommel. Gommel. I like it. Doquan can go and buy a duck. Doquan probably could go buy a duck himself, man. He probably could go duck himself. I'm going to. The last thing we need is this. Well, Pudgy, man, I'm telling you. You better go help them. You better go help them count, dude, because I saw that they might be counting until Christmas time. Dude, I could sit in a room alone with 20 million ballots, and I can guarantee you I could count them before Christmas. Oh my gosh. I could do it by myself before Christmas. I know that I could. So somebody go help these people. But I'm not going to lie, and I'm not going to rip on these people too hard here, because I understand that they're volunteering and all that good stuff. But yes, after voting, if it's the same people who are like, you know, checking your license and handing you the ballots, I do understand why it would take them so long to count all of those ballots. It's because they're all like 90 years old. Let's see here. You lost your Wayne Grow. Let me sincerely ask you, Wayne Grow, with 4 minutes left. Like, what's the problem? What's the problem, man? Is it because we don't talk about AMC as much? Is it because you don't like to have fun? Like, I just want to know. Like, I get it that you think that something is different or something's awry. But with the 3 minutes left in the chat right now, please just break it down, dude. So, because one of two things is going to happen. You're going to continue saying stupid stuff, and then it's not going to work out for either one of us. But if you got a legitimate concern, just let me know what it is, dude. Do you know why there's so many balance? I probably do, Pudgy. I probably do. Left a few days and you broke the market already, Marius. That I did, man. I'm in Tucson, Arizona. Really have no idea what's wrong with our election system here. I don't know either. I think it's kind of like, you know, necessarily broken, but it's a little slow all across the country. But dude, Arizona is very slow because of the sudden influx of illegal. Oh, that could be Pudgy. It absolutely could be. Danelle, Pudgy, hello. J Bones, we got a bunch of clowns. Yes, we do. 4 minutes left. 2 minutes left now, Chloe. Only 2 minutes left. It is already 1 o'clock, guys. It has gone extremely fast. Hey, Chloe, what's your opinion on LUNC? Will it go down or up? Overall, I do think that Terra Luna Classic, if rebuilt, will see some wild gains, right? But this market that we're in right now, dude, with a lot of the gains that we were seeing this morning already falling because of the CPI report kind of stagnating a little bit and slowing down, and the excitement from the CPI kind of cooling off, we're already seeing the downward pressure return. So that indicates, or should indicate, that the bears are still outpacing and outselling the bulls. In Terra Luna Classic, I know this graph is messed up here on Webull, but Terra Luna Classic still around that 19,000 point per coin level. It's looking good, but you can't really gain in the face of a market that's being destroyed. So short term still could absolutely be very difficult for Terra Luna Classic. You could see the lower prices in the short term. But dude, if Terra Luna Classic gets rebuilt, it's more than $1 billion project. So you're going to see some nice gains in Terra Luna Classic if these developers and if the community does what they say they're going to do. Man, I got here at the end. So much volatility, too. I'm telling you, DC888, dude, it is. I'm with the gang. We about to go up. Heck yeah, man. He's probably going to blame Pika something. Where are we going, Dark Bro? Only up. My comments not going through. Hey, the famous ones, man. That one came through. Just to let you know. That one came through, dude. I want a wrench. The famous ones. The famous. You got to gun a little bit more for a wrench, man. You got to gun a little bit more. Yes, that's why we have a rally due to 7.7% on CPI. Yeah, Ager, man, Mr. Barrow. That's what's causing a lot of the excitement right now is the 7.7% CPI rate. 7.7% is still not good, right? But it beat the expectations, and it shows that CPI is declining or is slowing in its increase, which is a good sign. But we still got a lot of work cut out for us before the overall, economy is in a better situation. Let's see. Is there a Black Friday merch giveaway? You know what? I don't know if there will be or not, Diffie Dog. That could be a good idea. Everyone, a Claytastic day. I got here in time to say, smash that like button. Do it, guys. I've just learned it. Yeah, all good, guys. All good. 1 o'clock. But no, in all sincerity, ignoring trolls is fine, but like, if Wayne Grow has a legitimate concern, I want to know what Wayne Grow's legitimate concern is. There's a difference if somebody is just trying to troll or if they really, feel like something's out of place. If he feels like something's out of place, dude, we can talk about it. But I have no problem with that whatsoever. It's just, Wayne Grow's been in here for a very long time, so that's what's confusing. You know what I mean? Like, dude's been around since the good old AMC days. So that's what makes me a little bit confused is to what the problem could be. If you want to say it with me, say it with me. DC888, you guys already know what's coming there, man. I watch Crypto George every day. Nice roulette wheel. Pudgy, I won't bring polished ticks again. Sorry. No, Pudgy, you're good, dude. You're good. I can't give him too much attention, right? Because then it just starts everybody getting upset and all that stuff, man. We know, like, we get it. We get it. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chats. This'll cheer up Wayne Grow. Works for me anyway. Wayne Grow, Patrick, all you guys. Thank you very much. This is for you, Wayne Grow. If not, if you don't want it, it's for Patrick, man. Patrick, you take that banana, you lick it, and you stick it. Patrick, thank you very much for the lick and stick. Absolutely appreciate it. Dark Bro, see you later, guys. Get your name in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we will be back. I may head over to TikTok if you guys want to go hang out on TikTok for a minute. We'll see if Stephanie's still over there. Chloe might be going on TikTok as well. So definitely check that out, guys. Nonetheless, we'll do the shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon for the live stream there. The famous one. See you later. 1776, Patrick, man. Shout out to you, Dark Bro, SD, Dark Bro, Mr. Simon, DD214, Roulette Wheel, Mr. Simon, Pudgy, The Franchise, Melamamas, Mark, Old Rounder, Gorilla Invictus, Pika Power, Danelle, if you're still out there, thank you very much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nikev. Happy birthday to you. T-Play, see you later, man. Lorenzo, the famous one, see you later. Joseph, King Mamba, J Bones, Chloe. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me, DC888. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.